Hi all. So in today's class we are going to discuss how to use MATLAB. So in last section we have discussed something very basic of MATLAB, the symbols that we are using like that. So in this session we will be discussing how to use MATLAB online. So the first thing is we need to open MATLAB. So the first step we are doing is we will search for mathworks.com. So here you can see a page here. So the first thing you have to do is you have to sign in. So I'm clicking the sign in, and here I have already created an account here. So you want to create an account using create account. You can use your college mail ID. So it is licensed and you can use that. So I'm directly going with my created account. So here you can also type your password. You want to create a password also. So I have opened. So after creating an account, a page like this will come. So you want to click, you can see here MATLAB. So you can click that, and here you can see open MATLAB online. So we want that. We can install MATLAB also, but we don't want to install that. We can do in online itself. I'm opening it. So here you have created an account. It will take time to come. So this is our page of MATLAB. In last session I have told you there will be 3 sessions. That is, the first thing is work command window. So here we will be doing our calculations in the command window, and here you have a current folder. That is, you will see the saved folders or saved files you have what you have done in your MATLAB. And this space is actually workspace where you can see your calculations and all, and we can do some basic things here. So thing that I want to add, so actually this works as a calculator. So I want to add 2 plus 3. So I am using the numbers 2 and 3, and I'm using the symbol plus sign in our keyboard to add these two symbols. It's very easy. So you can see the answer is 5. And if you want to multiply for multiplication, we use the symbol star symbol for that. So you can see the result there. You want to click enter after typing the question. And here there is another thing you have to know is that here the answer is 6. Our recent answer is 6. So the answer work like a variable actually. Think that I want to add 6 to 8. So our answer is 6. I'm typing answer plus 9. Okay, then I'm clicking enter means we will get the answer of 6 plus 9. Okay, so this is actually our recent answer is this 15. So if I add 8 2 to the answer, we will get answer as 70. That is our the latest answer was 15. So I am adding this 2 to the 15. So these are the very basic things that we can use. And think that I'm giving a value. So and okay, here you can try root also. So square root. So I told that we don't have a symbol root here. So you will be typing SQRT T of, I think that I want the square root of 4. So I will get the square root of 4. Okay, you got the answer here. And like that you can do for every functions like this. So the next thing we have discussed is about the variable value. Okay, so I'm giving x equal to something, a value thing that I'm giving x equal to 4. So let us start from first. So I think you have understand the how to add two numbers. So next we are discussing about variables. I am assigning a value to a variable x, 3. You can use any variable. Okay. And I'm assigning a value y to 4. Let it be y equal to 4. So next I want what is x plus y. So I will get the value of x plus y. So you can assign, if I want a multiplication of x and y, I will get 12. Okay, so you have the, if you give a command x equal to 3 and y equal to 4, whatever we are doing, the value of x and y will be 3 and 4 itself. So you can do any problem by using the value, by giving a value to a variable. You can use that anywhere like this. So think that here I want to clear this workspace. Okay, in workspace you can see whatever we have done, whatever values we have given, you can see here. So think that I want to clear the workspace. If I type clear and I click enter, the workspace become empty, and think that I want to clear a command window. Okay, so the command is clc. So I have discussed it in the last section. If you look, you can see that. Okay, so the all thing is cleared here. Okay, so next we can start with our matrix. So first I will teach you how to type a matrix actually. So think that I need a matrix which we have discussed here in this slide. So let n equal to capital M is equal to, so I am using the square bracket. So square bracket 1 space, we need to put space 2 space 3, and we are using semicolon to enter the row, and I am typing 4 5 6 semicolon 7 8 9. Okay, so this is my matrix, and I'm closing it by square bracket and typing enter. You will get the matrix like this. Okay, so we are using matrix. If we want to type a matrix, we want to use semicolon to enter a row. So think that I want to multiply two matrices. Again, using another matrix, let it be matrix V. You can use any matrix. Okay, so I am typing another matrix 1 2 2 semicolon 3 4 1 semicolon 3 7, and I'm closing that. So this is my matrix V. So think that I want to multiply both. So for multiplication we need only star. Okay, so I'm typing M. So it is case sensitive, so you want to use capital M itself, capital M star capital V. So this gives the answer. So this will be the answer of M star V. If you want to add, we can use addition symbol, plus symbol. If you want to subtract, you can use that symbol. Okay, so I'm clearing it. CLC, by using CLC I can clear the command window. So next I am teaching you how to solve a system of linear equation using MATLAB. So while solving LU decomposition, we have discussed that if we get a system of linear equation, we can write that in the form. Hope you can see that. We can write that in the form A into X equal to B. Okay, so we need the value of X actually. The matrix X is actually X by itself. So we need the value of X. So X can be written as A inverse into B. Okay, so for getting this value of X, we just want to compute A inverse of B. So the command of inverse is INV. So I will discuss that when we are doing. So think that this is a system of linear equation we have already solved by using Gaussian elimination. So we can test whether our solution and the MATLAB solution is correct or not. So the first thing is, if we get a system of linear equation, we have to write in the format matrix A into X equal to B. So this is the matrix A. So here you can see that the matrix A is 2 3 minus 1 4 1 2 minus 2 5 1. Okay, so I am typing that matrix. where matrix A equal to, I'm using the square bracket, 2, 3, minus 1, semicolon, 4, 1, 2, semicolon, and minus 2, 5, 1. Okay. I'm closing the bracket. So here I got the matrix A, and the matrix B is 5, 6, minus 4. So I'm writing B equal to square bracket 5. So it is actually a column matrix. So I want to use semicolon in each step. 5, semicolon, 6, semicolon, and minus 4. So the close bracket. Okay. So when I'm typing enter, I got a column matrix B, 5, 6, minus 4. So next, for finding the solution, x equal to A inverse into B. So the solution, I'm writing solution is equal to, what is the solution? We have to get inverse of A. So I'm writing inverse of A. So we have to write capital A itself, it is case sensitive, multiplied to B, right? So I'm using multiplication symbol into B. Okay. So I got the answer. So I think we have solved it in fraction form. So if you multiply that fraction, you can see it is actually 1.8, 0.12, and minus 0.84. This is the solution. Okay, so hope you understand how to solve a linear equation, system of linear equation by using MATLAB. So it is very easy. We don't have to use any method to solve. We have to find what is A and what is, so you can also find the value of inverse of A directly. Okay. Inverse of A. So we'll get the answer inverse of A. What is inverse of A in the decimal form? Okay, so hope you understand. So this is our first module. So we have completed our first module. So if you have any doubt, contact me and I will help you on that. Hope you enjoyed the MATLAB session. Thank you.